Is it about your father? My dear, pay no attention to him. Everything will be fine. You go. I don't know what we're going to do about our school fees.
But you people have been going out and coming in. You go to the farm, you go to the market. I was under the impression that you have saved enough money.
Saved enough what? No, I didn't get you. Saved enough money. 2 women. Just the 2 of us. And it's not as if you're supporting us. Yeah. I don't want to get angry. Okay.
No, relax, please. Relax. Don't let us have quarrel over this. Hmm? Like you said, I don't know what we're going to do about it. Business on my side has been slow, very slow. Maybe.
Then you leave it and join us to the farm. Maybe together we can make out something. Remember, this girl must go back to school. We can't do anything on our own. We are only women. Nine. She must go back to school. We can't continue killing ourselves.
I heard you.
My daughter, I am not asleep. I'm awake.
Mama, you're thinking again.
Me? No, I'm not thinking. I was just resting my eyes. I'm not thinking.
I have told you that everything will be all right.
My child, I know that everything will be all right. I know.
That's the spirit. Mama, smile for me. Mama, I want to go and check on the vegetables we planted.
No, don't go anywhere. I want you to stay at home. I'll be right back. I'll be right back.
Is everything all right?
Everything is okay. Just stay at home. I'll be back.
No, don't know.
Oh, please, my friend. Is there nothing you can do to help me? Because
It is not that I don't want to help you. But last time, you know the trouble I almost got myself into.
oh, my friend, please. This one will not be like that. Trust me. Command you to
It's okay. I'll get you something.
Really? Thank you.
But it might take some days.
My good friend, that will be too long. Why don't you make it a day, 2, or at most 3 days?
You have always been my friend in need and in deed. In 2 days, I'll come to your house and see you.
Really? So I'm getting the money in 2 days? Thank you. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Thank you, my dear.
Thank you. I don't know what I would have done without you.
It's okay. It's okay. You see, everything will be fine, okay?
I know. It's just but a little time. I know that. Thank you so much. God bless you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Let me run along. I left Ada alone in the house.
It's okay. It's okay. My regard to Mom.
It's all right.
I know the lie. I just try to be the best that I could ever be.
Capital of
No be lie.
America is
I know it's
Washington,
hard. I'll do my best to make you proud of me.
Care.
Sometimes you fail to realize. Say who God has blessed, you can do all you can, but you can't curse. Do your best to realize
Mama,
that you can't
good
erase
afternoon.
anything that Oluwa.
Papa, good afternoon. Is the yam ready? Mama, you didn't ask me to boil the yam. You didn't ask me to boil the yam. Did you both meet each other on the way? Mama, what is it? Is everything all right?
Nine.
I've been saving it for the rainy day.
Nine. And you did tell me.
What a man wants to achieve is in his heart. Actually, the money wasn't due for collection yet.
What are you doing in Susu? Oh, nine. This is what I've been talking about. Thank you. Nine, 20,000. Thank you. Ma, here. Your school fees.
Mama, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank God. Thank your father.
Thank you.
All the time. You're welcome.
That means you're going to school tomorrow. Hey, Nai, thank you so much. Let me hurry and prepare your delicacy.
Hey,
Human.
I'm not like that money.
Hey. Thank you, my dear.
You're welcome.
It is complete.
It's okay.
How long do I have to return it?
It's usually till the next meeting, which is 3 months.
Yeah. Trust me, I will return it as promised.
It's okay.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. But please, do not put me into trouble.
At all, I will not. I will not.
That's okay.
Thank you. Let me run along.
Okay.
Hey.
Bye-bye.
Oh, thank you.
Mama, get it, Mama. Mama, I have good news for you. For us.
Calm down. Have you been running?
Yes. No, Mama, I haven't. It was announced today at the assembly that the government is arranging scholarships for brilliant students.
This is good news.
Mama.
A good one at that.
Mama, that's not even the best part though.
Talk to me.
The best part is it's abroad. Abroad. Obodo Yibo. Hey, Mama.
You mean Obodo Yibo?
Yes, Mama.
As in overseas?
Obodo Yibo.
Obodo Yibo?
Yes, Mama.
You enter plane? Oh my God!
Mama, you and Papa would not have to worry about spending a kobo on me again. You will just face your farm work. I'll now become government child.
Oh,
Mama.
Oh, I'm so happy. God, please. I want this our joy to be fulfilled.
Amen.
You will have the scholarship in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Hi! Onyekambuzi.
Mama, I promise you, I am going to try my best to get it.
You will, my child. You will get it.
Thank you, Mama.
Go inside and eat. I prepared your favorite.
Okay, Mama. What of Papa? He's not back yet.
No, he's not yet back.
Okay.
Hey! Jehovah Sham Onyekam. Onyekam bụ na ị na-echere m Chineke.
You and your customers. What?
Did you hear about the scholarship?
Yes,
Scholarship.
I did.
You heard about it?
I did. That's exactly what we've been asking government for. Not tricycles. Our children need good education.
It's true. It's true. But what do you think about the scholarship?
What is that? The rich has all the money, yet they will find a way to corner this little one into their pockets.
Of where? So what you are saying is that we and our children will not have the opportunity to even get this one.
Why do you equate yourself to us? You are a rich man.
Yeah.
Is it not you that I run to each time I need help?
Oh no. Anyway, I saw your daughter. She has become a paragon of beauty, just like her mother. Oh, I know what to do.
So you're admiring my wife?
No, not like that though. No, it's your daughter I'm talking about now, your daughter. But she's beautiful like her mother. It's your daughter, she's beautiful like her mother.
Yeah.
Fine, baby, you no go fine pass your mother. I'm sure very soon she'll get married.
Yeah?
I'm sure suitors are knocking on her door by now.
Maybe. She will finish her university education.
Why? Why are you bothering to send her to university? After all, she's a girl.
Hey. So?
She went up in the kitchen, though. Oh, no. Look. After acquiring all this education, she'll go inside the kitchen. Look, if I had, you know I have 4 boys. Yes. If I had a girl like this, after secondary school education, bam, straight to marriage.
Eminem, my daughter will sit for that exam. It is her right. Right, yeah?
Ah. Okay. Left to me, I would have said, let us leave this scholarship for the boys. You know? Okay, imagine now, if your daughter wins, we will now carry the pride of our village to another village. I wish you had boys, but you have only one girl. I wish you had boys. What is that? What is that one for? You're not doing anything.
For you. Huh? For you who have been talking about my child. Eminem, let me tell you something. Nobody is going to stop her from going to the university. Amen. And nobody is going to stop her from getting to where she wants.
He said, I've said that, man. Now put that thing back. You're not doing anything with it. I don't know.
Oga, are you not through with that thing?
You must want some paper remain.
More sister. Only one more time I have a couple lawyer.
Hey, what do you?
I don't know.
Hey, my friend. How are you doing?
I'm fine. Good morning.
Good morning.
This one, I hope nothing.
No, not at all. Guess what?
You cannot do that, man.
Guess what? Come and sit down. I was busy cleaning my house, mopping everywhere, and I saw something very important.
Kenepa,
Do you remember Tia Chike?
this woman. Hey! So you still have this picture with you before me? I've not forgotten. Even if I have, my back will not forget it. This man really flogged me. Hey!
Not as much as me. You were brilliant, oh.
You were too.
Where's Mama?
Oh, Ma, she's fine. She went out.
Hope she's preparing for her exam.
Of course she is. She's trying.
Yeah, I know she is brilliant. Like you.
Hey, Chimo.
You're about to go to market, right?
Yes, my dear. That's what I'm preparing before you came in.
Okay. I hope you've not forgotten about the money.
No! Of course, I'll return it as I promised. Market has been so good.
I envy you.
Envy me, kwa? How?
I can't forgive Emenike for making me a housewife.
Ne. If I am to be a housewife without stress, I will take it without looking back. Yes. You see this life, I will never wish even my worst enemy, this kind of life.
But you have respect.
I have respect, yes, but you will not understand. Ne. Imafe meno, rapu ife de na moto ba moto. Obuga kana le. Ebo kuno ubo budila. Ani weli otawa. Imafe meno kakite.
Yeah, I have to be on my way so you can go to the market.
Yes, thank you. Hey!
That you can't erase anything that's Oluwa has written. Say the future is bright, you can see. It's blinding me eyes for real. I'll never give up now. There could be light at the end of the tunnel. The future is bright for me. It's making you blind for real. After the tempest and the rain, the sun will surely rise again. Yeah.
So what about your brothers?
Brogging. Brothers. They don't do anything, no. What they do is eat. And if I try to complain to my mom, she'll say, is this what you be doing when you get to your husband's house?
Don't worry, everything will be fine, okay?
Ma, salute. Where are you people going to? Oh, okay. Sorry. Can I join you people?
What's the meaning of that question? Eh? And what do you mean by can you join us? Hey, don't touch me. What is it?
Ma, let me just join you people.
You for what? Get Chibina, if you don't call up. What is your problem now? What is it? I'm warning you, Chibuna. Take your time. I am warning you. Respect yourself. I'm warning you now.
Ma.
Look at his head, coconut head. What's the meaning of this one now?
He likes you.
Likes me. So is that why he'll be tickling me each time he sees me?
That's the way of guys.
I see. So you know. Something you know. Okay, Mother Teresa, I am going to tell your mother. You know who is your boy, Tadi? I will tell her. Don't worry. You will see. Let's go. My waist, hey, Ukumo. Umaza, you're just young, hey, Chimo.
Sorry.
Be cool.
Sorry.
Ndo.
Ndo.
Oh,
Ndo, please, just try and get better. You remember what the nurse said? So that the medicine can work.
But it's paining me now.
Sorry.
It's okay.
But Papa, why? Why are people so wicked?
My daughter, that's a question I don't have answers to now. Let us just be grateful that they didn't hurt her more than this. Yeah?
My wisdom. I didn't say anything to them. I was just going on my own.
Let me see whether I can get something we'll rub her.
Papa.
Hey, Umazi, Amandiri no Nama.
Mama, it's okay.
Hey,
You'll be fine.
What did I do to them now? I was going on my own. No. I was the only one still on my list. So I'm glad I'm not the only one because of course the king is not first.
How is your mom?
She's fine. She's getting better.
See, I'm not you. Oh, thank God. I'll still come and see her.
It's okay. That's fine.
Wait, why are we walking like this? I mean, you want us to be king?
Who you king on? Are you not the one really wish to?
Just checking the obono.
Mama, I told you not to worry. I'm going to do them.
You have exams to write. Not one, not two. Yeah, let me be doing it little by little. Why you have time to rest and read your book?
Oh, Mama, I'm not complaining. Eh? You're not feeling well. You shouldn't be doing this. Don't worry, just go and sit down. Let me go and get your drugs and food. Eh?
No, you're welcome.
Papa, good afternoon.
Yes.
Oh. Papa, since you're back, let me get your food too. I made oha soup. It's very sweet. You will like it.
I'll eat later.
Okay, Mama, let me get yours.
My husband, this one your face is like this. I hope all is well.
Not even one customer. Even one. Eh? Ha! We'll continue like this forever.
We will continue trying till I'm stronger. That is life for you.
Must you do everything?
Hmm?
How long are we going to continue like this? How long?
My husband, that is life for you. We won't get tired. We'll continue trying. Yes, till we make it.
Do your best to realize that you can't erase anything that Olisa has written. See, the future is bright, you can see. It's blinding me eyes for real. I'll never give up now. There could be light.
Sorry, my friend, I didn't hear you call. Please sit.
You know why I am here.
Please,
If Nanya, I warned you. I warned you when you came to me. Eh?
I know, but you know, a lot has happened to me. And you know it. There's nothing that's happened in this, my house, that you do not know. You know everything about my family.
Of course, I know that a lot has happened to you. But these people are on my neck. I collected this money from a cooperative. Now, what are we going to do?
I want you to tell them to give you more time. I swear I will pay the money and the interest. I will pay it.
I have tried for you as a friend.
I know. Try more, please. You've done it all, oh. Biko wanyibem. Biko.
Remember, the more you delay, the more the interest.
I know. I'll pay it all. It's
okay. I have to be on my way.
Okay.
You have to try your best. Please. Try your best.
Thank you. Thank you, Dako. Good afternoon.
Okay.
Mama, what is it? Nothing. Fine, nothing.
Are you crying, Mama?
No, I'm fine. Just go inside and change into something else. I'm fine.
You're fine.
Believe me, my child, I'm fine. How was school today?
School was fine. Jidofo.
How are you people now?
You're not going to school.
Go to school. No, can I go to school when all is not well? Can I concentrate? Can I concentrate when my mother's burial is hanging on our neck? And the elders are not helping matters. They are insisting that we must carry out our late father's funeral rites before we can talk of our mother's burial.
So, what about your brothers and your uncles? Are they not doing anything about it?
My dear, my brothers, they are not well to do. In fact, we barely feed 3 square meals a day. My uncles are not even helping matters. Everyone is saying there is no money. They don't have money. These things are just my headache. You need to understand.
It's okay.
Weird. What are you going to do about the exams now? The exams are fast approaching.
The exam. I don't even know. I don't know what I will do with the exam. I'm telling you that there is no money. We can't even feed 3 square meals. Not even talk of exam.
It's okay, Jidofo. It's okay. Alright, don't worry. Everything will be fine. Okay?
It'll be fine. Okay? Please, take it easy on yourself.
Alright. Okay. Thank you.
Alright.
Bye.
Bye. It's so sad.
That's the tradition.
So, when will the funeral take place?
When the elder brother that is living in the city, or the sister that is now married, or even Jidofo makes enough money, then they can bury the father who died first before they do same for the mother.
Even if it takes 20 years?
Even if it's 50. And if any of the children dies now, they will fall behind in line until the ones in front of them are dealt with.
Hey. Oh, Papa, can the community be of help?
It depends on what you mean by community. We are not all from the same town or village here. But the system varies from one town to the other, and from one village to the other.
Is it costly?
Yes, in some places, especially when it involves a female death. You will give a cow or a horse to your in-laws with some food items, while you see slaughter a cow or a horse in the husband's home. Let's say, give and take, something between 500,000 and 1 million.
Chimo. Papa. It's too much now.
Well,
Poor Jidofo. Where is he going to get that kind of money from?
yes, my daughter. Poor Bidofo. But who knows? The elder brother might come up with something soon.
But Papa, this tradition is not helping anyone. That has been done in the past does not make it right.
Agreed. But the custodians of the culture and tradition refuse to let go. Look at you, for example. Do you know in some families, the girl child is not allowed to go to school?
Papa, that would be sad and unfair.
Hey, what is wrong with my little angel? What is it?
Mom, I'm okay. I'm not just happy.
Why are you not happy?
Papa said Jidofa's late mother's funeral can't take place because they don't have money to...
I understand, my daughter. You see, we Igbos have too many koli in our custom and tradition.
Mama, what is koli?
I mean ambiguities.
So now, Mommy,
ambiguities. Dictionary. Okay, what dictionary?
Ambiguities. Koli.
Chibochi.
Chibike, how many times have I told you? Now, Fambert has timing. Eh? Will I teach you one thing 20 times? Look at the starter. You have not eaten very. Do you want it to fall off? Okay. Give me 13. I'm not best. Go and grease the back hub of that motor. Go and grease it now.
One my friends. I hope you're no longer angry about that thing I went to say about your daughter in Igwe's palace.
How can you go to Igwe's palace and castigate my daughter? If everybody in this village does that, not you, my close friend.
Sorry. You know, I just wanted my son to be number one because it was very foolish. I'm very sorry.
Anyway, I thank God Igwe did not listen to you.
He didn't listen to me. He didn't listen to me.
Because he has sense now.
I'm sorry. I will not. I don't care.
It's going to cost you
two cartons of call your people.
Chibike!
Two cartons of. Go and get us 2 cartons of Mia.
6 bottles. We were working now.
No, when we finish me and you will close and go home. They can continue working. Hey, put on Tanta something to chew.
Don't go and waste all the time there. But also.
Well, I'm here. You close down now. Let's go inside. You haven't finished this one.
No, just little things I have to deal with there. The vehicle is sound, very sound.
How you people understand this mathematics? I do not know.
Please, Soluchi. Please. Help me and talk to your friend.
But you know, Ma. We know Ma is married to her bro, so how do you want me to talk to her?
Soluchi, yes, that is true. But you can do it for me. She is your friend. Please, help me and convince her.
Help you and what? Chibona. Are you not man enough? Can't you talk to Ma yourself? You need to help me and talk to Ma. Talk to Ma yourself now, since you love Ma so much. So talk to Ma. Why are you disturbing Soluchi? Soluchi, talk to Ma. Are you not a man? So go and talk to Ma yourself.
You know how
Look at them. My son, 2 of you are here playing love in the Appian way. Eh? What? Soluchi, does your mother know you are here? And you. So you are here playing love on the main road in the Appian way of the corner.
No, sir.
What is no, sir?
No, Papa.
What is no, Papa? So what are you doing here?
Papa, you see, we are trying to analyze our arithmetic progression and other school works.
Arithmetic progression and school. Soluchi, is it true?
Yes, sir, it's true. We are talking about school.
You are talking about school?
Yes, sir.
Teacher and student. When you're cousin one joke. Now disappear from here, both of you.
Thank you,
Run
sir.
away from me. Hey, you come back here. Come on. Come back here. Where are you going to? Follow. You know so you're there. What's the matter with you? All your mates are in school trying to get scholarship, and I'm talking, and you are talking to you, and you are looking. What are you looking? All your brothers are in town trying to do apprentice job to be useful. The others are in school trying to get scholarship. Are you not interested? Girls are beating you in school. Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Papa, I am not interested in the scholarship. It is very simple.
What nonsense? Will you shut up there? You're not interested in scholarship. It's very simple. Hey, you must get that scholarship. You that I say you will get scholarship and go to abroad and take me to abroad and come and make me proud. Is something wrong with you? Eh? Your brothers are all over the town trying to do apprentice. You that should go to school. You're here in nonsense. There's nothing there. There's nothing there. Come, you must get that scholarship by force. And you must win the scholarship. And you must take me abroad. If you turn and look at, she doesn't even have any waist. Nothing. No, you're looking nonsense. Move. Which option? It's you that will take me to the abroad. You must win the scholarship.
Mama! Where did you what is it? Mama, my work results and letter. No, this is the letter. This is my work results.
Hey! You made 9 A's.
Yes, Mama.
Oh my God, what a fantastic result. I'm so proud of you.
And the best student in her class. Hey, she has been chosen to represent the school in the state examination coming up in the next month. You are
so
the greatest, my daughter. Come.
No. I should be the one to give her first congratulatory hug.
Oh,
come on.
Women.
Oh, I love you, my daughter. I'm so proud of you. You can now go to your father.
You are the greatest.
Nemo! I love it, girl. Hey, I love some woman.
Hey! Auno! Mama Koye! This one you open your workshop today with bottles of home pack. Or the mama. I hope is everything okay?
You will not understand.
What is there not to understand?
There are certain issues I want to drink away.
Auno. There is no other issue in this life that should be more important than the issue of the welfare of our children.
Bam! That's it now.
But it's the same welfare of our children that has brought me here. Oh, yes.
It looks as if our minds are going the same direction.
That's why we are friends. Because the war that I am seeing is wearing a heart.
So, what do you mean?
See, a child who believes in the abilities of his or her father can act and speak with confidence.
Bam! Look, you just hit the hammer on the nail.
That is it.
But the M&M I know. You're thinking of a shortcut.
I will not lie, I'm confessing. I'm thinking of a shortcut. Very serious shortcut.
Our people say, a dog that kills a porcupine can also dismember a palm bunch. Let us not complicate issues for our children.
You mean we should leave these children to just be moving anyhow without guidance like this, like that?
Leave them.
No. You're not thinking very well. You know what? Since you have already started thinking, go and change this thing. Let us go to where you and me can take better. You know, every time I come here to see you, the noise here is so much, I can't think here. Let's go there. Let's change it. Let's go there and think better.
Hey! What is wrong with you?
Eh?
Are you not seeing? Are you mad? Do you want you to jam you? What is wrong with you?
Hey.
Eh?
Good afternoon, Mrs. Principal.
Mrs. Aniagolo, please.
Yes, Mr. Aniagolo. I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry to barge in on you like this. I have been to your office in the school, and they say you went out. I'm so happy to meet you now. It's you I came to see. Yes, ma'am.
Your face looks familiar.
Yes, now. I am Chibunna's father, okay?
Oh, yes.
Yes, madam.
Chibunna.
Yes, madam.
Chibunna.
Yes,
I remember.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, how may I help you?
Madam, you see, our people say that a step taken as a precaution is always nice.
I agreed with you.
So I said, let me come and find out from you if there's a way that's between me and you down here. If there's a way to access the examination papers before the exam itself, the question paper. Madam, please don't misunderstand me. You know, our people say children of parents who know how to make moves can always be confident. The first issue is confidence.
Mr. Okeke.
Yes, madam.
I am not gifted with insulting people. Else, I would have given it to you to the last. But leave here now and go home and encourage your son to read harder. He can do it.
Oh. But madam, you see...
Excuse me! Now, out of my way.
Madam Principal, you...
Mr. Okeke, you heard me. Get out of my road.
What is wrong with somebody just trying to help his son to... Why are you being too straight? What's the matter with all these people, sir? We'll just look at it. I will find a way.
Hey.
Good morning.
Good morning. I'm off to work.
Papa, there is something I want you to do for me.
Yeah.
Yes.
What can that be?
So I need newspapers, old ones and new ones, especially the ones that have ministers and government appointments in them.
Okay. What of the ones that have appointment of commissioners and head of departments in our state?
Yes, that will help too.
In that case, my friend who works with the Daily News will be of help.
Okay, Papa.
I'm coming.
Okay.
Just give me 2 hours.
I'll
be back.
Thank you very much.
See me.
Wait.
Please remove it. I don't want to get old. Here we go. Nice, man.
No.
No. You're welcome.
No.
How did it go? It went well. I'm tired and I'm very hungry.
I know. Just go and freshen up. Your hot jollof rice awaits you.
Are you serious?
Yes. Even your father refused to eat though.
Yes.
He said he will eat when you're back. So,
my daughter.
Yes, Papa.
You have done your own part.
Yes.
The rest is not left for God. And we pray He will give you success.
Amen. Mama, what happened to your hand? What happened to you here?
Well, I'm just saying this now. No. I don't know. Maybe something scratched my body.
Is it painful?
No.
It's okay. You can freshen up.
So tired.
is your house, Chibonga.
What is after you, Soluchi?
I saw a car parked in front of Mama's gate.
A car?
Mm-hmm.
That shouldn't be unusual. See, her father is an auto mechanic.
No, this car is not local. I think the state exams result is out.
State exams result?
Yes.
Ha! See, my father will be the first person to know if the state exams result is out.
Eh.
Mm-hmm.
This can check, let's go.
But wait, Soluchi. Mma is at her grandmother's place. Who do we tell them that we are looking for?
Let's just go and check. Let's go.
Do your best to realize that you can't erase anything that Olua has written. See, the future is bright, you can see. It's blinding me eyes for real. I'll never give up now. There could be light at the end of the tunnel. The future is bright for me. It's making you blind for real. After the tempest and the rain, the sun will surely rise again.
Adamo.
Beautiful queen of the house. You're welcome.
Thank you, Papa.
Come and enjoy with me. Or enjoy with us.
Papa, alcohol. But, Papa, I smell something fishy. You people are here drinking. And I met Sopluchi on my way. She pointed at her house and told me that she's coming.
Yeah, she just left.
Well, my child. You see, adversity causes some people to break down.
It's a good.
While it gives others the opportunity to break records.
Bam. Naija.
You are
Papa, what does that mean?
It means that you are the #1 student in the state.
Congratulations, my daughter. You won the scholarship. Mama. Nene ke funanya.
Mama. Wait, Mama. Mama, it's true. I want the scholarship, Mama! Mama, hold on. Mama, look at it here.
Yes.
Look at it here.
Easy!
Wait, Mama, Jesus, is this true?
It's true, my daughter.
Why?
I'm going to travel abroad. Jesus, Mama. Mama, did you see this?
Yes, I saw it, my daughter.
Hey!
Hey, God.
I saw it.
Mama,
Hey, God is great.
Mama, this is true.
Mama, please, calm down. Calm down.
What am I hearing?
No.
What am I hearing?
In Rofuma. You heard it right. God has opened another chapter in our lives. My daughter has made us proud.
Oh, may his holy name be praised.
Amen.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
She is the golden girl of her age and she will beat the world.
Amen. Let me get you something.
No, you don't need to bother yourself.
I like Rokwami. I'm bobbing. No. Let me give you some.
Happiness will not allow me to drink anything. I am happy for you.
Thank you, my dear. Thank you. Hey! No! Give me the phone. Nsepura na ba akwo nwenke me mirror. Mana ọ zara m. Ebe Chukwu naza m. Onwere onye ọ na-ama nze ekpere.
He's a mysterious
I am
God.
so happy. Thank you.
I'm happy for you.
Thank you. Look at me. Look at me. Yam seller.
My daughter, you have now read the result and the attachment properly. To come first among all is not a mean achievement.
And the first girl to achieve that in our state. I mean, it's a bigger recognition.
Before you have United States of America, Canada, Holland, Germany, England, Russia, and Austria. Whichever country you choose, that's where you're going to.
It's true, Nai, but you know, Ma is just a child. Let's help her. I think England will be okay for her. She will not be stranded there. We have millions of our people living there.
No, I was actually going to suggest USA, where opportunity abound.
Papa, Mama, I don't understand. You people promised you're not going to meddle in between my dreams.
Exactly.
So what are you people now doing? Listen, I want to sleep over the course I want to study. And then I'll choose the country I want to go to study.
Okay. But remember, people say that a man who builds a homestead before another has more broken pots than him. We are just here to advise you.
Ma, we want the best for you. It's okay. If you want to sleep over it, go ahead and sleep. You just take your time. You have the whole time for yourself. Okay?
I want to sleep over it.
Sleep over it. You have your... Just take your time. Sleep over it.
My son.
Yes, Papa.
You see, we have this saying when we were in secondary school in the football club. We say, if you miss the ball, do not miss the leg. So now that you have missed the scholarship, do not miss that girl, Ma. Stay close to her.
Papa, I don't understand what you meant by staying close to her. Is it the way we do in church?
No, my son. I mean, cultivate her friendship. Bring her close. You know, make sure she becomes your friend. Is it possible?
Papa, trust your son now. It will be possible. It's just that the problem is that she is always with her parents. But the bottom line is that she don't even love me.
That's not a problem. Make her to love you. Do things that girls like. Buy her ice cream. Tell her how beautiful she is. Compliment her dress. You know, tell her proper things. Are you sure? Let me explain something to you. She has the scholarship. If you bring her close to you, as she has the scholarship, you will have her. That means you have her and the scholarship and the future.
Papa!
It is called strategic stratagem.
Boom! Papa, if you had taught me all this grammar before now, I would have had the scholarship, but no problem anyway. Papa, trust me. You know I am a Liverpool fan. So I will never walk alone.
And combined with my Arsenal fanship. Ever battle ready.
Always battle ready.
Hi. Wait, I know if we had not gone that far,
Yes.
what would it be? Hi.
How do you go?
Good afternoon.
Yeah. My friend here, Chibuna's father, you know him?
Yes, Papa.
He wants to see you.
My dear, you know, I went somewhere. So I missed your 18th birthday celebration. But those of us who are absent, we must show our presence. We were absent, present in our absence. All right. No. This one. This is my contribution or my gift to your birthday celebration.
Thank you, sir.
Well, Jide Kiji. Be holding as you are holding before. I was our daughter.
Ma, you can go back and continue what you're doing.
Okay, Papa. Thank you, sir.
Congratulations. Oh no, my trusted friend. Chai! I was just thinking aloud what is in my mind.
Go on.
I should talk.
Yes.
You know, now that your daughter has celebrated her 18 years, she's now mature, you know, and for our relationship to last forever, I think that my son and your daughter should marry to bind the family together. You have a woman, and I have children and others. But you know, that is what is going on inside me.
Mabunam. Oh, Maka. Your suggestion is very good.
Mm.
But so many things are happening now. Adding marriage to it will overheat everything.
No problem. We won't add marriage to it. Because marriage is a big thing. No problem. Why don't I pay the small money dowry, put money down, then put the palm wine down, just to make things, without adding marriage, that big thing, just that one, so that we stabilize everything. So anytime she comes back, we now do everything.
That's marriage now.
No, marriage is the big one. We invite Ikunibe from left and right. This one is just me and you and 2 witnesses. Just small money and palm wine.
Huh? Let me be honest with you.
All right.
Let us not force the hand of the clock. Okay. We all know that betrothals are no longer in vogue. Not at this time. Yes. And I promised my daughter that I will leave her to choose whoever she's going to marry. Just like my own father gave me a free hand to marry Ifunanya. So what is left?
We've exhausted the list from the ministry. What is left now is our own list.
We have to be careful so that we don't overload her with unnecessary things.
It's okay. You're right.
Papa.
Mama. No.
Welcome.
Welcome.
Mama, Grandma gave me some money.
Yeah.
Really?
Yes. Hey!
Mrs. Udaku gave me 5,000 naira.
God bless
His
you.
Royal Highness gave me 20,000 naira.
Eh?
Yes, Papa. And the church gave me 15,000 naira.
Hey.
Chineke, ego buzikwa Catholic.
Ego akalia.
Chineke.
Yeah, ego ne kopta.
Can you check here? 40,000 naira. Mama,
40.
Mama,
Mama,
you don't remember to add that of the governor and ours?
Mama, those ones are special money in my bank account.
Hey.
My daughter, I hope you are getting ready and saying all the goodbyes.
Yes,
The
Papa.
date of your departure is close.
I know. I am.
Good.
And from Enugu to Lagos, and finally from Lagos to USA. Hey, I don't believe you. Hey, Chineke.
Hey.
Mama. Adam.
Hey.
Hey, I can't wait to. Hey.
Now, always be the good girl you have been. When you get there, write us to the school box. So that Mrs. and I will bring the box. Only.
Your future is more important to us. The father and I are proud of you. Thank you for crying. Thank you, man. I'm proud of you. Papa. May the good Lord be with you. Amen. But why? I'm supposed to take care of yourself.
No, wait.
Ma.
You started with him,
To be the best that I could ever be. No be lie, I know it's hard. I'll do my best to make you proud of me. Sometimes you fail to realize. Say who God has blessed, you can do all you can, but you can't curse. Do your best to realize that you can't erase anything that Oluwa has written. Say the future is bright, you can see. It's blinding me eyes for real. I'll never give up now. There could be light at the end of the tunnel. The future is bright for me. It's making you blind for real. After the tempest and the rain, the sun will surely rise again. I wanna rise to the top and be the best that I could ever be. I'm gonna try and never stop. I'll do anything to make you proud of me. I'll do anything.
Are you not going to the market? Today makes it 3 days you've not stepped out of this house.
With the absence of Uma. It's as if the house is empty. I feel like I wish I can see her. I wish I can hear her voice and see her walk around.
Would you rather she didn't get the scholarship?
No, may God forbid. It's just that it's made me big and
One thing. I know. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Come, let me make you happy.
make me happy. How?
Yeah.
Remember what the doctor said though? No more pregnancy, madam. That was what the doctor said.
Who is talking about pregnancy here? Come, let me make you happy. So I can't take a movie.
Yes. What?
Ewuloma Road.
Really? Oh, my child. Ah. How's she? Hey.
So how do you read the letter?
My husband, I don't really get it. But all I know is that she's happy. She already has foster parents. The man is 78 and the wife 70. But I don't really get it.
From the much I read, there are these wealthy Europeans who either they are doing well, their children are all grown up and have left them,
Okay.
or that they didn't beget any children at all. So they pick somebody from time to time who they look up as their own.
Is it what she's trying to explain here?
Yes.
And not that they are trying to take her away from us completely.
No, far from it.
Asikwam.
Go and take your bath and eat your meal. I prepared beans and ripe plantain.
My husband. You're really taking good care of me. And that's why I love you so much. Thank you. Hey, Mamo. Okay.
Soluchi. Why are you afraid? Wait. Okay, I'm sorry. Why are you angry? You miss your friend? Or you're jealous because she was the one that passed the exam?
Chibona, stop it. I miss him so much. I mean, I'm just alone. There's no one to talk to.
What do you mean there is no one to talk to? I'm here for you. Okay, I mean, things happen for a reason.
A reason? Really?
Okay, let me put it straight. I must confess, I really like you. I mean, I don't even know what I was doing with that girl, Ma. Look at you. You're so beautiful. Kind-hearted. And even hardworking. You are the type of girl I want to marry, Soluchi.
Shift! Is something wrong with your head?
Why are you shouting now? Someone might hear us.
Chibona, let them hear. Let them hear, oh, because I see you're crazy.
Why are you doing this, Soluchi? You know you're the girl I want to marry.
Chibona, don't ever try this again. Do you want me to scream? If I scream, do you know the implications?
Stop now. Why are you behaving like this? I was even thinking you're a big girl. Not knowing that you are this Adan Kaku. One bogon Kaku like you.
Thank you. Thank you. I don't want. Chibuna, you're a foolish boy.
Chibuna, you have suffered. Soluchi don't know who I am. I swear to God, I will make sure I deal with her. Huh? Papa, what are you doing here?
What am I doing in my own house? I should be asking you, what are you doing here?
Papa, this is my father's house.
Is that so? Your mates are in USA, trying to be useful to themselves. You are here claiming your father's house. People are trying to be useful to themselves, and you are here. I just heard you talking about Soluchi or Soluchi. Who is Soluchi?
Papa,
who is Soluchi?
Papa, I know Soluchi now.
And what about her?
Papa, I went to console her. She's worried about Ma.
Consoler General. You should actually be consoling me for having a child like you. Mama, you're talking about is in USA. Oh. She's in USA. Instead of you to be useful to yourself, try and become something. You are busy here claiming your father's house. Do you know, even my shop, you cannot even run my shop without supervision. You can't go to the shop.
Papa, take a look at me very well.
I'm looking.
Big boy like me.
Well, where is the big boy?
Papa, no, I cannot go to that shop.
My friend, disappear! Look at, you are a big boy. Don't you have sense? You are a big boy. Still, you do not have any financial big boyism. You can't make money and you are a big boy. And I'm sure that if they look for me there and they don't find me, all this money I have amassed for you and your brothers, people will waste it. Huh?
Papa, did you say all this money? Is it from that small kiosk you call shop? Anyway, Papa, if you fall and die, beautiful. It is natural. Papa, if you fall and die today, I will inherit all the money plus even the shop. I will use it and be carrying all the small girls as you said. In fact, Papa, I will invest the money in woman capital development.
I said it. I said you are a very useless somebody. You see, I said it. You can't be useful to yourself. Yeah. Anyway, I will not be around when you are wasting the money. I would have died and gone. I won't be around. Stay and be useless to yourself. Huh?
Chibona.
Ewulumma. Mkpụlụmma. Nwa amụrụ na mma. Nwa Chukwu kele ụbọchị ụka. Ada obodo oyibo m. Who would believe that this is my little child that just left yesterday? Mom.
Which little child?
My is coming back.
Eh? Yeah. You see. Hey! Hi! Hey! Beauty extraordinary.
Hey!
Created to shine. Negolu. Negolu. My ever-loving woman.
Nice. You're just praising the picture.
Eh?
No, later. Yami also. Ma is coming back. My Ma is coming back.
Hello. Hey, my man, Nikwa. Ogolo, odi akoko bola.
Ibo kokpote. Nai. My daughter is coming back.
Hi.
I can't wait to feel her warmth. My daughter. Chineke.
Hey.
My Ma is coming back. Lord, I thank you.
Hi.
It's only you that can do these things.
Nekwa.
Oh, Jehovah Shammah. Otu akede. Onye ka mbuzi nna anyị. Hi. Onye ka mbu.
Do all you can, but you can't curse. Do your best to realize that you can't erase anything that Oluwa has written. See, the future is bright, you can see. It's blinding me. See the future is
Oh my God!
the lights at the end of the tunnel. The future is bright.
So this is you. Oh my God, you're welcome.
The tempest and the rain, the sun will surely rise again.
Okay, they have. Hey. No.
You're looking good. Hey!
Of course, yes.
Hey, when now? Hey!
I wanna rise to the top and be the best that I could ever be.
Mommy.
You're truly
I'm gonna
beautiful.
try
Hey!
and never stop. I'll do anything to make you proud of me.
Hey!
Yeah,
Oh my
yeah.
God, Mommy, I miss you guys
Sometimes
so
you
much.
fail to realize. They say, who God has blessed, you can curse all you want, but it won't work.
My close friend in the States, her name is Lisa. Lisa Littlewood.
Little
Littlewood.
wood.
Oh gosh. Hey, Daddy, that's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is their surname is Little Woods. Yes. Yes. Okay, so Mom, there's what we do. We do Thanksgiving. So every Thanksgiving, I always spend it with them. And Mom, you need to see this huge turkey we use for Thanksgiving. Mighty turkey. And then they invite all their relations over. It's really fun. And then again, Mom, did I send you the picture I took in front of White House?
Of course, you sent so many pictures.
Is it the
Washington,
one,
D.C.
the one you were wearing a brown jacket?
I had lots of pictures I was wearing jackets. But anyways, I took it in front of White House in Washington, D.C.
It's not Washington.
Washington, D.C. It's actually where the president stays. Yes, just like Aso Villa at Abuja.
Oh.
And then again, Mom, you need to come to New York City. Oh my God, the city that never sleeps. You need to come to New York. It's like no one goes to bed from morning till night. It's always busy. I'm telling you.
They don't sleep.
They call it the city that never sleeps because it's always busy. Like people are always going up and down, morning and night. Yeah, that's it.
Hey, Ma. Hey, what a guy.
Negoda anya na nke ọzọ. Ngwe ka ọ bụ.
Yes, Auntie.
This your motto is very, very beautiful. I am proud of you.
Oh my God, Auntie, you've said that repeatedly.
No, you won't understand. Honestly, you won't. You see, my son has been disturbing me, saying he wants to travel abroad. And I said no.
Hi.
But now, I can see with my two eyes. I am convinced. Help me. Oh, Biko.
Yeah.
Listen, Auntie, it's not that easy, trust me. You know, a lot of people go over there and start drug trafficking, some go into prostitution. Yeah, and they bring disgrace to our country. But if he goes over there and works hard, then he's going to succeed. I mean, look at me. It took me 8 years, but here I am.
It took me 8 years.
It took me 8 years.
It took me 8 years.
Oh my God, you got to stop.
I can't wait to see my son to go there and come back, and it took me 8 years.
You said
You're so funny.
You know what? I see you really like my car.
Is she like it?
Okay.
I love her, man.
Let me go get my car keys and then drop it.
If we are a jupi, you want to shaban. Mapuya, okay, hey, I don't want to get
did you retire?
I was inside before, but I was feeling hot, so I had to come out.
You can continue tomorrow.
No, but I'm expecting an email. Oh, okay. Oh, there it is. Oh my God! Oh my God, I got the job!
Huh?
Yes, I applied for a job last week with an oil company. I got the email that I got the job.
Hi! You've done it again. Thank you, my Lord, for your goodness all the time.
Okay, let me read through. Okay. Oh my God, this is good.
The job is in Nigeria.
Oh yes, it's in Nigeria.
To be the best that I could ever be. No be lie, I know it's hard. I'll do my best to make you proud of me. Sometimes you fail to realize. Say who God has blessed, you can do all you can, but you can't curse. Do your best to realize that you can't erase anything that Oluwa has written. Say the future is bright, you can see. It's blinding me eyes for real. I'll never give
Daddy,
up now.
Mommy, who's there? This is Odinaka. He is my friend from abroad.
Your friend?
Yes.
Just an ordinary friend, right?
Yes.
Okay. That's nice.
You're welcome, my son.
Thank you very much, sir.
Do you speak Igbo language? Honestly,
I'm from Anambra State.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yes. I'm happy when I see people like you after going to abroad and back, they still speak their mother tongue.
Oh, I'm proud of it too.
Yes.
That's good.
He is here to oversee his building project.
Yeah.
No.
I'm sorry, sir. Please, I have to take my leave. I need to catch up with something.
No, what now? Let's give you cola.
No problem. I might return. Huh?
Let me see him.
Okay.
All right. Oh, okay. Well, bye-bye. I want to thank the both of you for everything you did for me. All the sacrifices. I appreciate it. And then, I want to say this too. I wanted to wait for you to arrive, but what the hell? I have a surprise for both of you.
Yeah.
Me? I just said both of you. So, I'll start with you, Dad. I have, I don't want you to do that mechanic work again.
Yeah.
Yes, it doesn't suit you anymore. So, I ordered a tanker for you.
Tanker.
Yes.
Tanker.
I mean the Mac, the big head. What's it called? Yes.
Nine.
Easy tanker.
Hey!
Hey! Tanker.
Nine.
Hey! Hey! Olugonu. Thank you, my daughter.
You're welcome.
Hi.
So, over to you, Mom. Yes. I have a container on the high sea coming in. In there, I have lots of goods for supermarket. I want to start up a supermarket for you. Yes.
Hey! Supermarket.
Yes.
Hey!
Madam Supermarket.
Yes, Mommy.
Me?
Yes.
Own a supermarket.
Hey!
Nine.
Excuse me,
Nine.
Oh, really? Okay.
Nine.
I have to record this. My parents are funny.
Hey!
Okay.
Nine.
Tanker.
Who was supermarket?
Yes.
The mother won't watch a move.
Hey!
Oh, Bapu.
Thank you, man.
Hiya.
Thank you very much.
Adam.
Oh.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
God will continue to bless you.
Amen.
God will continue to lead you.
Amen.
You will prosper and prosper until you are tired.
Amen.
No.
Hey.
Yes, I met them, but not officially. I met them as her friend. Can you imagine that? I am so confused myself, honestly. I asked her, she said, it is not the right time. Bro, tell me, when the fuck is the right time? No, tell me. I'm so confused, honestly. You think she's playing on me? Well, I am just so confused at this moment. Honestly, I don't know what to say. It's alright. It's alright. Okay. Daddy, meet my friend. Hey! No.
My friend, before, during and after the war.
How? Are you going to the workshop?
It's a workshop. I am going to give my workshop to one of my apprentices.
Eh?
I'm angry with you.
Give him. What did I do?
You remember Mama?
Yes.
That you mocked. She is back 10 times prettier than she was.
Hi. Don't be angry with me. You know, I'm sorry that I was not able to come. You know, things have not been the way they used to be. Business is very slow. And then Chibunna has to be supervised. So, yes. But I'll make time and come. I'll make time and come.
Better come. Make time and come.
I will come.
Because she just got a job in an oil company. All the facing you.
Eminem. All right.
Eminem.
Eminem. What came number boy? Hey!
Don't tell me that. Ma, you're hiding something from me. Because if you're not hiding anything from me, you would have introduced me as your fiancé. Not a friend! Not a friend!
Oji, I thought we've cleared this issue.
Hey, that's so insulting. Even if you don't want to introduce me to your family as your fiancé, then you introduce me as your boyfriend. Is it so big to ask for?
Odi, you're just overreacting, okay? Just wait, let me explain.
I'm overreacting, right? Look at you. Listen to yourself. I'm overreacting.
You need to calm down. Let me explain things to you, alright?
Explain what? No, tell me. Explain the fact that you went to your village to introduce me, your boyfriend, your fiancé, with my good intentions to come and marry you as a friend. Then why did I come back to this place? You know I came back for marriage. You know that is why I came back here.
Okay, hold on. Let me talk to you, okay? I'm just trying to find my feet here. It's all about this tradition, you know? We're going to your family, getting to know whether there is madness or epilepsy in your family.
Hey, Ma, it's a normal thing. Yeah, so come up with something better.
But what if? What if they find out something and say we are not going to get married?
Really? You guys are having fun. Good afternoon.
Welcome.
Thank you, Daddy.
You guys are always having fun. I'm jealous.
You don't have to, my child. You just go and get your own man.
Oh, really, Mom? You had to go there?
Yes.
Anyway, that is what I came to discuss with you guys. I'm sorry for not telling you the other day, but Odinaka is my fiancé. We are engaged.
I said it. That day I suspected something.
We don't do such things here. I don't know about Oyibo land, but a man has to ask for your hand in marriage from me.
Mom.
Tell him I want to see him.
Okay, Daddy, I will. When do you want to see him?
As soon as possible.
That's fine by me. You guys are cool, right?
You're fine.
Okay.
And you?
I'm okay, Mom.
All right.
I'll just go in. Go back to my seat. You guys have fun.
Yes.
But wait, though. My, this cannot be possible. What are we going to do?
You know what? I actually said the same thing to him.
Hey!
Hey, what
Is
do you-
that my ma?
I'm going to call you back.
My child!
Oh, good afternoon, Uncle.
Is this my ma?
Yes.
Just you're looking
Thank
even
you.
more beautiful than ever.
Thank you, Uncle.
You're really welcome. How was your journey?
Very well.
And your studies?
It's fine, thank you.
Hey!
How's Chibuna and the brothers?
It's even good that you should ask of him. You know, he's the one running my business now.
Really?
He's doing good.
That is good.
Yes, he's doing good. Hey! See beauty! He's good. I hope your father is around.
Yes, it is. It's even a good thing you're here. Come, let's go. Yes.
Chai! See,
How have you been?
beautiful and smart. I am good. Managing where you left us behind. God has blessed you. Eh? God has blessed you. What are you eating?
Uncle.
Hey! Hey! See what my father got for me.
It's your luck.
God bless you. God bless you.
Amen.
Thank you so much. You will
You're
thank her very
welcome.
much for me.
I will.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Okay, I was on my way out.
All right.
Daddy, I'll see you later.
Okay.
Okay.
Because I accused you.
No, well, you accuse me, but see the beautiful thing I got from my daughter. You will help me thank her very well.
I will.
Anyway, I came to see you. I came to see you for a purpose.
I hope there is nothing.
No, there's nothing. I came to remind you of a promise. What came now? What do you go? Oh, you go. That is it. Anyway.
Thank you.
Hey, it's not for you.
Thank you for all the help you've been giving me. Do you know how difficult it is out there? Ha!
But the money is not free. That's what I'm trying to say.
Yeah,
it's not free.
But you said you're giving me.
It's free, but it's not free at the same time. What I'm see, Aga, in future to come, I am going to ask you for a favor. When I ask you for that favor, you will give me. That's my condition. In future to come, I will ask you for a favor. Anything.
Is that all?
That's all.
I agree.
If you agree, that's my bond.
Okay.
I hope you have agreed. Should I bring?
No.
They're waiting for me. Do you remember now? So that's why. I have to be going now. Okay. Hey, sit right there. Hey, good night. May the day break.
That is it. That is what that has been bothering me since ever he came here to remind me.
Aya. How could you accept such blind favor? How? What if he asked for ₦1 million naira? Or even your house? Aya. Why didn't you tell me you were collecting money from that cunning man? Eminem of all people. Aya.
What could I have done? I wasn't feeling good. I wasn't feeling like a man. How could I stand and watch my family go hungry? I had to do something. I almost became a drunk, if not for the scholarship. So I decided to...
It's okay. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry if I've done anything wrong to you. Please forgive me. Please. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
But what are we going to do?
Yes, I told her to invite you so that I can talk with you man to man. Where are you from?
Nnewi, sir.
Nnewi?
Yes, sir. Otolo Nnewi.
Ah.
Yeah.
I hope you know that we are going to do the proper things. We have to conduct our investigation, just like your own people will conduct their own investigations. And after that, we can then give you the bride price.
Yes, sir. Yes. I understand.
Good.
I understand.
So what do you do?
I'm an engineer, sir.
Yes. Academic or practicing engineer?
I'm a civil engineer. Yes.
I see. Well, I hope you will stay in Nigeria because my daughter will be staying in Asaba. And I don't believe in this satellite husband. Two of you are going to stay together. and you must take good care of her.
I will, sir. I will. I will. You see, Ma is a wonderful girl. She's all I want in a woman. So I promise you I am going to take good care of her. And I will never do anything to hurt her. Yes.
Ka anyị na-eje n'ubi ka ji n'aka. Ọmaka.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
No.
Thank you. Na inafanyika njiga.
Oh, nah. Dal. This shows that you are a true son of your father. Welcome.
Thank you, sir.
It's only my uncle that can convince them.
In that case, I will go and see your uncle first thing tomorrow morning.
Better. Uma is coming.
Is everything all right?
Yes. I thought you were sleeping.
No.
Come and sit. Down, down.
Okay. Are you sure everything is all right?
Yes. Ma, you cannot get married.
What?
Yes.
Please, my child, be patient and listen to your mother.
I don't understand. Why?
Calm down, my child. You see, your father did not complete my marriage rights.
So, what's that got to do with me?
According to our tradition, Yuma belongs to your maternal mother.
This is got to be a joke, right?
It's not.
Of course, it's a joke.
It's not a joke. It's true.
Oh, we're trying to work on it.
We will take care of everything.
This is the reason I don't like tradition. I don't like it. I mean, what's that got to do with me? Okay, you guys should fix it. It's not okay. I don't like it.
Ma. No. What do you think we'll do about this?
It's okay, honey. Just tell me what happened, okay? We can find a solution to it.
I'm just tired. I'm tired of all this culture and tradition.
It's alright, baby. It is who we are. It's fine. It's beautiful, so, I mean...
But it's stressing me out. He's stressing me the hell out and I don't like it.
It's okay, just calm down, right? Everything will be fine.
I'm just so tired of it all.
It's fine, it's well.
How did it go?
They chased me like a goat who came to steal their yam tubers.
Hi. Well, what are we going to do? Can you get me?
Honey, I don't know why you're so bothered about that. I am fine. You don't have to worry about that issue.
They chased him out like a chicken when he was ready to do the right thing. What if they refuse to accept him? Does that make me an illegitimate child? No.
Don't break my melon for me. Oh. I don't
Mommy.
think you still know how to peel it.
I'm Makwam. I know.
Yeah, I can also Igbo. Your father is back.
Daddy.
No, you're welcome.
No.
They are willing to listen.
Really? Oh, I have a new fadigomo.
Hey. How are you?
Dim.
They said I should come with 3 of my king's men for a meeting.
Eh?
Which means they are now receptive.
Huh.
It will be fine.
Can I delay you, Chico?
Why don't you, Hey, I go. I am hungry.
No, sorry. Let me check.
They would have taken you along as a little bride.
But you're mocking me, right?
No, but it's so funny. At your age, they just paid your mother's bride price. I mean, your dad fucked up. Honestly.
Really?
Yes. Why did he wait that long? I mean, well, it's not right. Some people do that actually. But the rightful thing to do is if you want a woman, you go pay her bride price.
Yeah.
And that's what's up. So you live with her, then have kids and all, But it's fine. The most important thing now is that
It's done.
and that's it.
Yes.
Yeah, so now I am coming with my family to pay you dowry. So I can have my queen full time. And that is it. So no stories.
Yes.
Oh no! Don't bother hiding. Come. Come. Don't bother hiding.
Why should I be hiding in my house? Have you forgotten this is my home?
I know it's your home now, but I've been here several times. I didn't see you. Huh? I have come to discuss something serious with you. Let's come out of the sun. Come, let's stay here. Yeah. Ew! It's an in-house discussion. Oh. I will not. Oyim Mbubo, my old time friend. Why is your face like this? You remember many years ago, I told you that I will ask you for a favor in future to come. You know? That thing I was going to ask you didn't have a name that time. But now it has materialized. That is why I have come now to ask you for that favor. So that you can redeem it as you promised. Mm-hmm. I have come to ask for the hand of your daughter for my son in marriage.
In Ebe?
Na your house. Your daughter. So that my son Chibuna can marry her as you promised me. Huh? So that's why I've come. So that you can give us a list. Marriage list. So that we can begin the marriage negotiation. I don't know. You want to think about it or something? Agreement is agreement.
My daughter has a husband to be. And that man is definitely not Eminence's son. I suggest you go and settle this thing with Igwe once and for all. Not my daughter. I've said my own.
Are you serious?
Yes, that's what's happening now. It's like everything is conspiring against us being together.
And that is why I believe we're meant to be together. Don't you understand? You see, there is no easy way to success. There are hurdles, on your way to achieve greater things. And we must scale through. Okay? Honey, I'm with you. You have my full support. Even if it means going to court, we're winning together, honey. As for that man, don't worry. I know how to handle him. Okay? As for the list, I've sent to my people, so we're coming as scheduled.
Really?
Oh, yes.
Wow.
You're mine and I'm taking you for life, forever, baby.
Thank you.
Just chill, all right? Okay?
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful, beautiful.
I'm listening.
I am here on my volition to seek a lasting solution to this service.
So, that is why you just barged into my house. I can see you don't have one. So that's why you just barged into my house unannounced. And I thought you had something to say.
Well, with all due respect, sir, I am so sorry if I have said anything that upset you. I am sorry, but I want to ask you a question. Please, how much will I offer you so you stop giving Mma and her family problems? I mean, how much am I going to offer you so you forget whatever agreement you had with her father?
Wait. Who gave Mma to you as a wife in the first place?
You see, you're not getting my point. I mean, just to mention it. 500,000, 1 million. I could even get you a car to move around the village.
You will give me 1 million?
I am serious.
Excuse me. Look, I mean, do you think it's only because of ordinary 1 million that I am insisting my son must marry that girl? Look, I'm a very principled man. A very principled man. What I cannot afford, I do not lust after. I maintain focus. Do you know what it takes? For example, I have maintained this cap for more than a decade now, this particular cap. Do you know the type of discipline it takes to do that? You're talking to me about 1 million. In fact, get out of my house.
You see, I want peace to reign, okay? Think about what I told you. I said 1 million, I can even add it up. I could get you a car to move around this village. So please, sir, give it a thought. I want peace to reign. I want Ma and her family to have peace. That's all.
Just get out of my house.
We are mandated by the Igwe to sit and settle the dispute between Aga and the Emenam over a promise made 8 years ago. After our ruling today, both parties should sheath their sword and let there be peace in this community.
Okay. Chairman, you are the one that brought this matter before the Igwe. So table this matter before this council.
Elders, I greet you. I salute you. Everybody, all of you, knew how I was blessed with wealth in this village. Everybody enjoyed my wealth, including Ara here. Ara used to come to me and borrow money, and I will give him. He didn't pay back. At times he used to come smelling of ogogoro, and I would give him money. And I know that part of that money was used to train his daughter, Ma, which is my bone of contention today. Yeah, that's where he's spending me today. Part of my money was used to train that beautiful girl. You know, he will come. I told him that time. I said, in future to come, I will ask you for anything. You will give me. He agreed. Today, I am asking him to give me his daughter Mma for my son to marry. Is there any problem there? It's a very simple request. So that is it, elders. That is the situation.
Ara, what do you have to say?
Greetings, my elders.
Thank you.
I thought Emenam here was my friend. To be honest to him, he told me that he will ask me for a favor. But what kind of favor is giving a 26-year-old as dash for 40 or 50,000 naira he gave me in the past?
What 40 or 50,000?
It was what you gave me.
What? 80,000 naira! 80,000!
What you gave me was between 40 and 50,000 naira.
If you hear also, he said between 40 and 50 because his eyes were not clear. It was filled up with the Google. 80,000 I gave him.
It was 40,000 naira.
I said it's 80.
Did you give me the money once?
I wrote all of them down.
You did not. Wait,
80,000.
Are you adding the little money you use in drinking in the bar?
But even in the one in the bar, you were the one that asked me to bring it out. You request from your mouth. So
It's
you
okay.
expect it is from your request.
It was 40,000
It's
naira.
80,000.
It was 40.
It's from my pocket. 80. I wrote all of them down. 80,000.
Okay. So what you want is 80,000 naira.
It's 80,000 I gave you, not that I'm asking.
I will pay you 80,000 naira, but not my daughter. I can't even remember agreeing to any terms with you. My daughter is engaged. The husband-to-be came to your house and offered you huge sum of money. But what did you do? You refused. You said no. Are we now practicing slavery? Is my daughter not a human being? Emenam, I am ready to pay you whatever kobo I borrowed from you, but not my daughter. In fact, I don't see the need of this discussion. Discussing this issue here.
Ichemenem,
Elder.
you wanted something in return that does not have a name in the future. Odogu. And your intention is not made known. Can I ask you, sir? Is there any written paper to that?
No, no written paper.
This is a very simple issue, but very difficult.
Yes.
Did you swear by the gods?
No. Well.
Aya.
Yes.
You are at fault. In your need, you rushed to accept a gift without thinking. Emebulam,
Elder.
it took you 8 years. 8 years. It's too long a time to hold a favor. Although Ara is the father of the girl, we cannot force him to give you his daughter because she's a human being. We do not practice slavery here. If we force someone to marry somebody against her wish, that is slavery. You even said it yourself that most of the time I was drunk. A drunk is incapable of making good decisions. Even in the law court, any decision taken under the influence of alcohol cannot hold. It is null and void. This is my contribution.
Now, this is our verdict. Aga should pay the whole money he borrowed from M&M with the interest of 100%. We have spoken. Any of you who does not like our decision should take this matter to court.
Mom, are you serious? You know you don't have to joke with me about a thing like this. You're telling me the truth. Okay, I'm going to tell him. I'm coming back. I'll be on my way right now. Yes. Yes! Guess what?
What's it?
Guess what, babe?
Well, talk to me now. I can't really get
Okay, just please try a little bit.
Come on. I don't know. I can't.
Okay, fine. The Council of Elders has decided that
we can get married.
Yes!
Yeah, I know.
Oh my
It's a win. It's a win for us. I told you, baby.
Yes.
I told you we're gonna make it.
Yes.
That's what's up.
And we did.
We're getting married. I love you so much, baby.
Hey! 1 million naira and a car to move around the village. 100% of 80,000 naira. 160,000. Hey! Emebunam. Emebu onwe.
Just to try to be be the best that I could ever be. No be lie, I know it's hard. I'll do my best to make you proud of me. Sometimes you fail to realize. Say who God has blessed, you can do all you can, but you can't curse. Do your best